What is going on, guys? Welcome to a GHME YouTube video, and today we have a really special video for you. We're doing a typing test tournament with the members from the Gamers Hub team, and thank you, Glorious. Big shout out to Glorious and for sending us these GMMK2 keyboards. So they sent us a bunch of products, and now we're gonna do a typing test tournament to see the performance of each of these keyboards and also to see who's the fastest typer in the office. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to each member of the Gamers Hub office, and they're gonna talk about their experiences and expectations for this tournament. Jake, what are your thoughts on the first ever Glorious typing tournament, and how do you think you're gonna do?
I'm gonna go well. I think I can beat these guys easily.
That's what he thinks. Yeah, our newest member in the office. How do you think you're gonna do this in this tournament?
I think I'm gonna lose because I'm slow.
Okay, so let's just hop right into it. We're gonna get this tournament started.
Good luck, good luck. Alright, today I'm gonna be using my custom keyboard from Glorious.
I'm gonna be using my wrist rest. 10 seconds?
10, 9, 8, 7,
Oh
6,
my
5,
god.
4.
Oh my god. This oh my god, the shift.
Come on, man, you got a V8. Sweaty game right here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you're joking.
I know.
Fully focused.
Oh.
It's getting hot in here. Come on, let's go. Lance. Glorious keyboard. Damn, look at those fingers though. Focus. Almost there. Bertha. Who is more clutch? And
Oh, Lance won.
Let's move on. Next.
Good job.
I am sorry for underestimating you. Please accept this as a prize.
Next.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Shake hands, man.
Let's go. Friendly match, Mr. Immortal.
Look at that poster.
Man, me not ready for Jake.
Oh my god, it's starting.
Yeah.
Ready?
Hey, yo. Jake, calm down. The keyboard's on fire. Hey, why are you moving, man?
It's in the word.
Chill, man. Oh, it's okay. Jake's gonna win this. I have to wear shades.
Your car is very slow, man.
Man!
You know gas?
It's electric.
Yo,
electric
how many
car.
practices we had with 4 parameters? With 4 lines?
Yeah.
There's so many E's and F's.
You ran out of electricity in your test.
And the winner is Jake.
Let's go.
Wait, man, let him finish. We want to see how many words per minute.
Man, my fingers!
Where are they?
Salat!
Check out.
Man, my phone was ringing.
Alright, good luck, man. Good luck.
1.
Come on, Gab. Why you make mistake already? Red already.
Gap starts out with the backspace.
Thank you, Glorious.
Bro!
Dude, this is so bad.
You can, man, you can beat Gab. Gab's a...
Slowly, breathe.
Man, this guy.
Breathe.
Yo, man, just take a deep breath and then just
Keep typing.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Breathe in. 1,
Whoa.
2, 3.
Booster,
Down.
man. Whoa.
Damn.
Mistake. God.
Down now.
Actually, it's
Oh yeah.
Lance. Lance beat Indian King.
Congratulations.
What the fuck is this?
Why is it?
What the flower?
Congratulations.
Not last. Not last. What is this? 54. What did you guys get?
It's really slow.
Yeah, they know it's really slow.
What was ours? Like
Nah.
74 and 77, right?
Jeez, man. I think I got lucky with the bracket system,
They were
guys.
70. That's why I said.
But I'm not last.
Arman 1 year later.
Stop yourself.
Yeah.
10 minutes later.
Not last. We game, bro.
The disrespect. What, so you have a side? I can win at least.
Oh my god, man.
Jueg partido 4. Oh shit.
It's right off the bat. Yeah. Oh, you're wrong.
We have Dev here typing 3 words per hour.
What?
Okay.
Full stop, bro.
Okay.
Capital T.
Now space.
Oh.
Man, don't like teach it.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Take deep breaths.
Nice.
That's it.
Okay.
Hey man, no touching, bro.
It's a head by like.
Not really.
And there's a bee on my face.
Come on, Yanga. This is the rabbit and the turtle.
It's not how you start, man. It's how you finish.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Yanga. He will wait you there.
It's all in one.
Full stop, bro. Full stop. You, full stop. Space.
Okay.
That's really slow, bro. Oh, we finished.
Bye.
Rest is ended. Shake hands now.
No, I don't want to shake him.
I'll give you a chance now if you want to back out.
Okay, my friend. Good luck.
Hey,
Okay. All right.
I don't like work Norman does.
There's a lot
I
of-
actually do love my work, man.
Then why don't you come on a Friday?
I do come.
That's a lot.
Nice.
Come on, Jake. Nice. Oh shit, you're on the first line. I'm out of here.
He's fast only against me.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh, Jake's picking up.
Oh my.
Let's go.
Me, so, and never can that. What is 82.
82?
Hey.
Oh.
Yo, what happened?
Ah, it's so many.
My guy, my brother.
Hey.
What are you typing? Why is it taking so long for you?
The freaking.
I'm stuck on that one word.
Yeah, it's so hard. Okay. Hey.
I gave you a chance, man. I gave you a chance to back out. You didn't need to embarrass yourself like this, man.
Me and my boy Dev.
Yo, I'm losing.
It's gonna be a sprint.
Do I need to
This is a
click on
sprint.
this?
This is a sprint right here.
Bro, it's just shift. You not press caps lock.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh fuck, I forgot.
This guy just makes mistakes
This guy is a Nancy typer, bro. Bro, you just
Apple users, man.
bro, why are you using one finger per type, man? What are you doing? How did you win? Oh my god.
boxing. Oh. My boy. My boy.
Finals, baby! Sure loss.
Why give up, man? Why give up?
I just got excited. I'm third place.
There's no third place. You can have a battle for third.
Man, no need for
Yes.
Oh.
We need.
Single elimination.
lower brackets. Go.
Shake hands, man.
Okay, man.
Okay, man.
Yo, really?
Here comes Jay. 450 horsepower.
Damn, boy.
You read it. Shake the word.
No, I don't type them.
No, you read the word. Because I read the whole sentence.
Yeah, I read it.
You have been the one.
Flawless victory. How many words per minute? Oh.
88. Oh my.
And devastating.
You guys don't want me to win, huh? Hello, where crowd? Finals? Hello?
Come. Okay, whatever. Let's go.
I'm
Lance now.
I'm nervous. Sweaty hands, huh, mister?
He hands. Someone give me some chalk.
Ready?
Ready?
You sure?
Are you?
Oh, the shift is small. That's why. Oh my god.
Oh, speed racer.
Oh. Oh my god.
Love is already way behind.
Ooh.
Okay. Nitro boost.
Hey, man.
This guy.
Okay, wait, hold up.
This guy just tried to
Stop,
cheat
stop,
his
guys,
way
guys.
out of man.
Okay, we're gonna do something out of the box. Since Edsel is a sore loser. What? And
I'm not playing, you said that. What the heck is this?
he wants another chance of redemption. So since Jake won the third place match, we're gonna let Jake and Edsel play for a chance to be in the finals again. Because obviously,
What?
they want another chance.
I know why Jake's winning. He's got a mask over here. He keeps all the words in there.
Jake.
And it's gonna be a cruise to the finish line.
I'm actually nervous.
Oh my god, dude.
I missed the word, bro.
Hello, I will lose. I am ready to lose. I have no shame. I have no shame.
Grand final game.
Oh, wait, good luck.
Look at his stuff, man. Look at his stuff. That's literally paid to win.
Oh, okay, man.
It's okay.
No.
Okay.
Good luck.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what?
It's a little
No way, man.
Proper final.
like a newspaper you're typing.
500 on.
3, 2, 1. Vamos.
Can you do don't top?
Yeah.
You have everything to lose. Look at Edzel's eyebrow moving up and down, side to side, like a roller coaster.
Oh my god.
Don't shake his too much.
It's only you, man. No one else.
Oh, I know this.
Oh.
Murray, isn't it?
GG's.
And it's gonna be a smooth finish.
No. Again.
Some bumps in it.
Hello, Mama!
Grand champion is DPG Lads. GG's.
Hello. You're the champion.
Jake and Edsel
It's a
had their
script.
chance, but
The real winner.
Yeah.
It was nice
The
beating
real
you
winner
twice.
right here.
It was nice beating you twice, man.
It's okay. I accept it. No problem.
My superpower. Give me. This not you. This me.
Yeah.
You win.
so that was the glorious typing tournament, and obviously our winner and grand champion is TPG Lance. Any words? GG's. Lance, any words for your opponents and of course glorious?
It was fascinating beating all these people, and special thanks to Glorious for giving us these stuff. Yeah, send us more.
Yes. GG's guys, and for those watching, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow wherever you're watching this from. Peace.